Hey squad, welcome to Natural Hair Tea Time, where I give you tips and hacks on how to grow your natural hair healthy and strong. Today's tip is the LCO method and the LOC method. The LCO. L stands for liquid or leave-in. First you apply the liquid or the leave-in. The C stands for cream. Second, you apply the cream. And the O stands for oil. And that's the last thing you apply, and that seals the moisture in. Remember, oil is a sealant. Then the LOC method. Same thing. The only difference is the oil comes before the cream. I personally prefer the LCO method. It works best for me, and I retain the most moisture throughout the week. Try both LOC and LCO method and see which one works best for you. I hope you had fun at tea time, and I hope you enjoyed the tea. See you again in the next tea time.